Alright tech lovers, let's settle it. The Logitech MX Master 4 just dropped, and at $120 I had to ask, is it actually worth it, or are we just buying into the hype? First off, it's definitely legit. This is Logitech's flagship, out since September 2025, and it packs a bunch of new tricks. The biggest game changer? The haptic sense panel. Now, when I swipe or get a notification, I feel these tiny, satisfying vibrations right under my thumb. It's subtle, but it's addictive. Then there's the Actions ring. Hold down the thumb button, and this radial menu pops up near the cursor. Super handy for shortcuts, whether I'm editing, coding, or just zipping through spreadsheets. And for anyone who's ever owned an older MX, listen up. Logitech ditched that sticky rubber coating. The surface is now a tough, slightly textured plastic. It feels premium, and it won't turn gummy after a year. Connectivity? They nailed it. I get a rock-solid signal thanks to the USB-C Logi Bolt receiver, and there's Bluetooth LE if I want to go wireless. But it's not all perfect. The silent clicks, yeah, they're crazy quiet. But if you like a snappy, tactile feel, you might find them a bit mushy, and it's bigger and heavier than the 3S. At around 150 grams, this isn't my first pick for travel or gaming marathons. Plus, if you want all the fancy features, haptic sense, Actions ring, you need the Logi Options Plus app. It's an extra step, and not everyone's a fan. So, is the MX Master 4 a scam? Absolutely not. If you're a productivity power user, think CAD, spreadsheets, or creative work, this is a worthy upgrade. If you just want a basic mouse, you might find it overkill. Bottom line, it's pricey, but it delivers.